So we have some extremely sad news to report. This has not been on the news yet because it just happened in real time. And a Twitter user who was actually there and witnessed it just reported that Takeoff was shot and killed in front of her over a dice game. My voice is a little shaky because I'm shocked, like this is just so sad over a dice game. It just shows you guys that life is short and we have to take things one day at a time. We have to reach out to people and not take life for granted. This is unbelievable. Like I said, guys, it's not on the news yet because it just happened. But this Twitter user, Lonnie Damami, she's confirming it. And I'm going to just show you guys the tweets. Check it out. Rest in peace, Takeoff. I just can't believe this. Life is just so short, y'all. I know I sound shaky because I'm tired of rappers dying. I'm tired of people dying for no reason. I'm tired of people hating and just treating people like their lives don't matter. It's just very annoying. But check it out. And again, rest in peace, Takeoff.